Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to find lost or missing files in OneDrive. Without any further ado, let's get started. Start by opening your Microsoft OneDrive app from your web browser. Head to onedrive.com and sign into your account. This will give you access to all your stored files and folders, which is essential for locating anything that might seem missing or misplaced. Wait until the login process finishes and you'll be directed to your OneDrive dashboard. From here, to find lost or missing files in OneDrive, first start by navigating to the top part of your screen. You'll see a search bar there that you can use to search for your lost or missing files in OneDrive. The good thing about using this feature is that you can search even within subfolders inside your OneDrive files, which saves you from having to manually open and check each folder individually. This makes the process much faster and more efficient, especially if you have a lot of nested folders and aren't exactly sure where you saved something. Now, there's something important you should note about this search bar. It doesn't search through your recycle bin automatically. So if you've accidentally deleted a file and it's sitting in your recycle bin, the main search won't pick it up. What you can do instead is open your recycle bin folder first, and then use the search bar to search through those deleted items. This way you can quickly locate any files you may have removed by mistake without having to scroll through everything manually. It's a simple but effective way to recover files that were deleted recently and still haven't been permanently removed from your OneDrive. And that's it. You now know how to efficiently locate any lost or missing files in OneDrive using the search feature and recycle bin. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.